In chapter 5 we will see the logic. So we will see here two type of statement that we can use in the markup. So we will use the if and each blocks. So let's start with the if block, and we will do straight away practical for this. So let's go to the VS Code. In the last section what we did is this one. So here what we do is we will create one component that we called it as logic dot svelte. I will show you again how to create a component. So here I will import that component, import logic from slash logic. Okay, so this is how I have taken the component, and I will comment everything in this file app.svelte. So I have commented everything here. I will simply use that file here, that is logic. Now whatever I will type here, you will see on the listings. So in logic, again, we need to have a script tag. Okay, and here you will have a markup on the bottom. So let's start with the if block. Now let's say let's create one example of if block. So I am having, let's say, two headings, h1 I am red, h2 I am blue. Okay, I will style this red, style this blue. Okay, fine. So I have two components now, red and blue. Let's make the heading same. Okay, I am red and I am blue. Now I want a condition. Let's say let box equal to red. Okay, now what I want a condition. So in the condition, what will happen is if you have to write if block with the hash and then say if variable, that is this variable, if this variable is true, then show this one. You have to complete that if by using one more bracket like this. This is the starting and this is the closing. Okay, you can start with hash and then forward slash with this. So now what happens is if the box is, let's say, value of box is red, you will see this h2 I am red. Okay, and here I will say again if box, here I have to write the condition if equal to red. Okay, so again JavaScript equal to blue. Again I have to close this. So guys, whatever you are opening with hash, you have to close with this closing statement. Okay, now you can see only you are seeing the red box. Why? Because the value of box is red. Now if I make it blue, what will happen is this will come blue. Now how you can do this dynamically? Let's say I have a button. Change color. Okay, and I'll here write some method. Let's say on click equal to set color. And here I'll go in the function set color, and here in the curly I will say box equal to it's blue, then make it red. Okay, if whatever is the current status of the box, if box is, let's say, equal to blue, I will use ternary operator, make box equal to red, otherwise box, otherwise nothing, means box already blue, then keep it blue. Okay, now you can see if I click here, it's not changing, so I have to do here box equal to blue when second condition is appearing. Okay, see this. So how it is coming, you can see this if statement. I have written two if statement. You have to start your if statement with the hash if, and you have to close like this. Okay, so here is the condition. This is the condition. Based on this condition, this will display here, and this is the second condition. So initially condition is my box is blue. I am changing it here in the function. So accordingly, this false, this true. Again, if I this true, this false. So whatever is true, that markup will be displayed. So this is how you can use the if block. Now let's see one more example of this. I will comment this. Now we'll see if else if. Now if else if, let's assume I have again I have to start if, let's say money, I will take one variable money equal to something, money equal to 10. Let's say I have money of $10, $20 and $30. If money is $10, I will get let's say I will get burger. So I will use the same style here. I will say give me burger. Okay. Else if money is equal to $20, then again I will put one condition here. And I will say this, give me burger plus burger and tea. Okay. Now again I will put here one condition, else if money equal to $30. So I will say h2. I will remove this style, not required. I will say give me burger, tea, and let's say bread. Okay, so I have to close this. Now this is giving me error. Why? I have to define some value. Okay, now if nothing is there, I have to put one else condition. You will get nothing. Okay, so currently if you see, it's popping up or is return false because of, okay, so just make it 0 here simply. Okay, now what is happening is this condition, see I have written how many condition, 1, 2, 3, and this is the default condition. If nothing happens, I will fall into this category. Okay, so you have to write this start if, close if, and in between you have to write colon, else if, and then finally else. Okay, now let's say dynamically I will set the value. Set money, I will say here on click equal to write function here itself only, or I will say set money, and on top I will say function set money. Now I will say money equal to $10. Okay, so this is my button. If you can see, if I say set now, what will happen is you will get nothing. If I set say give me burger, so this condition is coming. Okay, now if I do, nothing will happen. So what I will do is, if value, if I check here, if I will use the ternary operator here again like last time I used. So if I check money equal to already it is 10, then increment money by 10. Money plus 10. Otherwise increment money or leave it. Let's see what happens. Or better if you write the conditions, like if it is greater than 10, less than 10, accordingly you can set. So that logic you can apply here. So I am just not applying any logic here because that will unnecessarily increase the. So just to show here, what I will do is I will show you here itself only. So if it is 10, what is happening now? Give me burger. Now if it is 20, give me burger and tea. Now if it is 30, see, give me burger, tea and bread. If it is nothing, so you will get nothing. See, all these three conditions are only applicable when if your money is 10, 20, 30, and apart from this, whatever is here, it will go into this condition. This is the default condition. Okay, we can write logic here, but that will unnecessarily make this video very long. So I'm not writing. Maybe when we write the components, I will show you there. So this is what you can set up the if block, if and else. So I think in next chapter, we will see the each block. So I'm stopping video here. Hope you like this. Please subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next video.